What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I figured while we are waiting for the rear Brembo bracket adapter things to come in, this is a perfect opportunity to go through and ceramic coat the body of the car. In the last video you guys saw when we did the front Brembo brake install, we ceramic coated those front calipers. I've never once ceramic coated vinyl wrap before. I don't know how this is gonna go. I know the stuff I'm using, which is this Armor Shield Nano ceramic coating made by Avalon King. This stuff is 100% safe on vinyl wrap. I just never have tested it out before. I'm guessing it's gonna be the same exact as paint, where it brings a lot more gloss out. Basically what ceramic coating does, the main thing I like about it is when I go to wash the car, everything literally just washes right off. So not only does it make it easier to clean, it also protects your paint or your vinyl wrap from the sun, from bugs, from if a bird wants to take a shit on your car, it washes right off and it doesn't stain. So it's really, really nice stuff to have. If you guys want to pick up this exact ceramic coating I'm using today, it is linked down in the description box below. My discount code is DVN25. It'll save you $25 off of one of these kits. So right here I have two ceramic coat kits. I probably will only use one on this car right now. And then I have this, what is this stuff called? A ceramic prep kit. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh wow, this is really freaking nice. I'm actually not going to be using anything in this kit. I would use this on a painted car, so basically what it is a wash and clay bar set, or clay mitt set. We're going to jump straight to the isopropyl alcohol. That is really nice though. So the car has been sitting here for a while. It is a bit dusty. The first thing I'm going to do is go through and blow off the car with some compressed air. A lot of this will probably just come right off. So we got the car blown off. 75% of the dust came off. The next thing we're gonna do is grab a new microfiber towel, grab our isopropyl alcohol, and we're gonna test this out. I wanna see if it's gonna damage the vinyl at all, which I already know it's not, but I figured I'm gonna test it out just in case. So what I'm gonna do, clean up a fender with the isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free towel, and then we can go ahead and ceramic coat one of the panels. Dump a little bit of this stuff like that. And I am going to wipe down this whole fender, the wide body and the stock fender itself. Get it nice and clean. The fender is all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and slap some ceramic coat on there. This is pretty similar to doing wax, to waxing a car, I guess to be the proper terminology. Open one up. You got your cute little welcome card. This right here in this can, or this little bottle, is the ceramic coat itself. And then we have some applicators. We have a glove, and we have the applicator pad. And there should be another lint-free towel in there, but I already took it out, and it's right here from when I did the calipers. So what we're gonna do is pull out one applicator pad, wrap it around this applicator sponge, and there's a hard side and a soft side. We are gonna be using the soft side, and then just take some of this Armor Shield, drip it onto the applicator, do a horizontal and vertical motion on the panel we are doing, just to make sure you got the whole area covered. And then we're gonna let it dry for 2 minutes. It's all temperature dependent, but it's about 70 degrees right now, so we're gonna let it dry for 2 minutes. And then we will grab this microfiber towel right here and wipe off the panel. From here, we're just gonna let it sit on there for about 2 minutes, and then we can grab this towel and wipe it down. Applying the ceramic coat is very, very easy to do. The only thing you really need to worry about is making sure you got the whole area covered. And that's very easy to do because the areas that you miss will be much more dull and not nearly as shiny as the areas you have coated. So that's literally all you have to worry about. When you go wipe it down with this microfiber towel, it's gonna wipe off all of the excess ceramic coat. So you're not gonna have like any high spots and low spots, if that makes any sense. It's very, very easy to do, guys. I've had a lot of messages regarding it, like on Instagram, and trust me, if I can do this, and Bobby did it, my girlfriend did it with me as well on the STI, anybody can do it. All right, so the 2 minutes is up. I'm gonna go ahead, gently wipe off the ceramic coat. Oh yes, that is so nice. When wiping it off, it's very, very easy to notice the spots that you missed because when it dries for about 2 minutes, it turns into like a rainbowish looking film in a sense. So it's pretty easy to see the places that you missed. It's so much more smooth already. This is brand new vinyl, never seen sunlight. And this right here versus this, that's pretty like rough feeling, or not rough, but my finger doesn't slide across it very easy. This slides right across it. I like it a lot. Well guys, that is literally all there is to it. I'm gonna go ahead, just run a time lapse of me doing the whole entire car. And I'm actually gonna be doing this whole car twice. Same thing I did on the STI. I'm always doing everything twice just to make sure I didn't miss any areas. And I think it probably adds a whole nother layer of protection as well, so it'll last way longer. I know one layer does last 5 years, and I never have once had a car for 5 years. So I just feel like doing 2 layers. I have the ceramic coat to do 2 layers. I might as well do it. And it's safe to use on carbon fiber, safe to use on headlights and taillights. I'll be doing the taillights, I'll be doing the APR wing. All the carbon fiber on the car is gonna be ceramic coated. It's gonna be protected. It's not gonna fade at all in the sun. It's gonna be super, super nice to have this coating on the car. So the whole first coat of ceramic is done. I could go ahead and finish it off right here, call it a day, but I'm gonna go around the whole car a second time. Since this is a second coat, we are not gonna be wiping the surface down with isopropyl alcohol. We already did before the first coat, so there's no need to do it again for the second coat. If I was to wait a few days and it would start getting dirty and dusty again, you'd probably want to wipe it down, but since it's only been like an hour or so, we're completely fine with just slapping on the second coat and not cleaning the surface first. So we have the entire car ceramic coated twice, and I did use 2 kits. I was like halfway through the second coat and I ran out of the ceramic coat. So if you want to do your car twice, I would recommend buying 2 kits. I also did use that same kit for the brake calipers as well. And I should have plenty enough to do the wheels when the wheels are finished being built. So yeah, car's all done, looking absolutely amazing. I'm gonna let it sit for a while. You're supposed to not get water on it for 2 days. I wanna show you guys how good this stuff actually works with like water repellent. When you put water on it, it literally just runs right off. And anything else too. Check this out. Watch this, guys. So you can imagine how nice that's going to be with washing the car, with getting all the bugs and all that crap off, especially when I go on long road trips down to like Southern California, which I did twice last year. I think I did it twice. Yeah, I did it twice last year. And when I get down there, the car is just completely destroyed. So that is going to be super, super nice to have on this vinyl. It's also going to allow the vinyl wrap to last quite a bit longer without getting destroyed and faded over time because it is UV protected or repellent. What would you call it? Protected. One more dope thing I've just noticed today with the ceramic coat. Let me show you guys something. You may have noticed I don't have my mirror on the side of the car, and the reason for it is because when this thing sat outside forever, the mirror mounts for the APR mirrors. They're like painted black and they got super faded over time. But on the other side, I ceramic coated the mirror mount and it completely changed the look of it. So let me show you guys how nice this stuff really is. Got the mirror. As you can see, it's pretty dang faded. So I'm gonna bolt it onto the car. I'm gonna clean it up and ceramic coat it. As you can see, it was a night and day difference with and without the ceramic coat. So guys, it's actually 3 days later now. I don't know why, but the ceramic coating on this car took quite a bit longer to cure than it would on a painted car. And I don't know if that's because it's a bit colder outside, but this took like 3 days. I tried to put water on yesterday and to see if it just run off like it should, and it was leaving behind like a white streak. But as of today, let me show you guys how amazing this stuff really is. We got this little cup full of water. The water literally just runs right off the vinyl wrap, so I'm not exactly sure why it took 3 days instead of 2 days this time around. I'm guessing because the car wasn't out in the sun at all and is a bit colder than last time. If you put water on your car and it leaves behind like a white streak, it probably means it's not cured all the way, so just give it some time, I guess. First link in the description box below is going to be a link to the ceramic coating I personally used on my car. Other than that, all you need is the isopropyl alcohol and some lint-free towels, and I might as well link both of that down below for you guys as well. DVN25 saves you $25 off one kit, so it brings the price down to like $45, which is a really, really good deal for this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is going to be the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.